everyone, this is Jen. This is going to be a really short video because I have one really good book that is going to help you with problems with your child and sleep. And it's a book called The No Cry Sleep Solution, and it's by Elizabeth Pantley. It is one of the best books. I got it when my kids were infants, and it helps you to train your child to sleep, because what she says in her book is that kids don't just fall asleep and go to sleep. There's a go to sleep cycle and a wake up cycle. So in those times through the night, she says it happens 8 to 9 times a night, something like that. She says the child has to wake up and learn how to kind of comfort themselves, and it's not about letting them cry themselves out, because I couldn't do that. That was really hard. That's one thing I could never do with my kids, is let them just cry. But I would be with them several times a night until we got trained to. They learned that they could comfort themselves with their blankie or their nook or whatever. And some other suggestions I have, besides the book No Cry Sleep Solution, is make a routine, stick to it. You know, what I've always done is take the kids up when they were small. It depended what time. If they were really small, it was pretty early in the evening, but just for my own sanity, you know, they're in their rooms, and I'm downstairs by 8 o'clock. So say we go up at 7 o'clock and read together for an hour. There's nothing in their room, no computers, no TVs. There's no screen time a couple hours before sleep, because the blue light can interfere with their sleep. The blue light can interfere with your sleep. You shouldn't be looking at screens. It messes with your brain. It really does. Research it. And so yeah, we make a routine. We'd read. I would tuck them into bed if they wanted to be in the bed. And it got to a point where they've gotten older, and now the only rule is that they can play around in their room with their toys and read books or whatever. But like I said, there's no electronics in there, and they put themselves to bed at this point. They might come down for a bathroom break or something, but mostly they're old enough they get themselves into bed. But it was like tucking them in and kiss and good night. And we also had the visual books where we would go over. We had the pictures of them going to bed, getting kissed, getting hugged. So we had visual routines on flashcards to show them. I talked about that earlier in one of my earlier videos. One thing is, don't rush the process. It takes time, but once they have it, they have it. But my biggest suggestion is to just keep to a schedule. If you want healthy sleep for your kids, if you want healthy sleep for yourself, you have to have a schedule. You can't go to bed one night at 10 o'clock and another night at midnight or 1. It's not healthy. It's not healthy for you. It's not healthy for your kids. And keep to a routine. Hopefully you have good luck. And don't forget to check out The No Cry Sleep Solution. It's an amazing book. I love it. I hope you like it too. Thanks for watching. See ya.